Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Jamie and today I'm going to give you a full walk around video on this 2016 MY17 Holden Colorado LS. Now we'll start off at the front of the vehicle, run you through condition and also some of the features as well. As you can see at the front of the car, you do have that really nice black bull bar. You also have the King driving lights on the front of them as well. You can also see that the bull bar does have the fog lights integrated into it and also the indicators as well. Now you can also see that we do have the genuine smoked Colorado bonnet protector, so obviously that's going to stop a lot of major stone chipping on the front of the bonnet and the windscreen as well. So as you can imagine, the front of the vehicle not only looks fantastic but actually presents really well as well. We'll come around and we'll look at our first alloy wheel. You can see that it's wrapped in BF Goodrich tyres. You also have the fuel wheels, and as you can see they are pretty much unmarked, in fantastic condition with still really good tread left on the tyre as well. Now there is also a lift kit in the vehicle as well, so obviously the car is going to be sitting high off the ground, which is really good because we do also have the side step that's fitted from factory as well, so that's going to make getting in and out of the car a lot easier. As you can see, you also have your Duramax diesel badging on the side of the vehicle as well. You also get colour-coded exterior mirrors and door handles, and you also get the bigger size Colorado genuine weather shields as well, which is really good for all types of weather, having the window down and up. So for people that smoke maybe, or even if you want to leave the windows down while it's raining, you can still get fresh air into the car. Now a little thing with Colorado is that people don't really know why they do it. When you actually open the door, if I can unlock the car, give me 2 seconds. Wrong key. You can tell I'm very organised here. Still got the wrong key. No, I do have the right key, I lied. Moving back to my point, what people actually don't know about the Colorados is when you open the door, the window actually slides down. Now people think, shouldn't it be the opposite? When you close the door, the window slides down, but no. So what the actual point of that is when you close the door, there's actually no cabin pressure. So you don't have the odd chance of leaving the door accidentally open like this, because there's just no pressure involved at all. So as you can see, really good design from Holden themselves as well. Now having a look inside the interior, as you can see, all the bolsters on the seats and the seats themselves, really good condition. Nice pattern on the seat as well. All the vinyl floors are in good condition. No major scuffs in the actual doors themselves. And on the door itself, as you can see, that's in really good condition as well. So good job by the previous owner. And just to show you how easy it is to close that door with no cabin pressure at all. Now working our way down the vehicle, it does look like the windows have been tinted, which is going to save you a bit of money if you were thinking about getting that done. But those two doors are in fantastic condition. Working our way to the second wheel, as you can see again, fantastic unmarked condition, no complaints on that wheel whatsoever. Got your 4x4 badging on the side as well. And then coming to the back of the vehicle now, as you can see you do have that rear step fitted. You also got colour-coded exterior parking sensors. Tow pack's been fitted as well. Do get the factory reverse camber integrated into the actual handle itself with the actual key lock. But taking a look inside, the good thing that Holden's done here again, not only have they fit the rail so you can put the tub lining down, but the tonneau cover over, but you also got the tub lining that goes all the way over, so you don't actually scratch the paintwork on the vehicle. Taking a look, as you can see, with the tub liner in fantastic condition. I mean, these things are pretty much bulletproof, so you can throw whatever you like in them and it doesn't ruin the inside of the car at all. So as you can see, it is also a genuine Colorado one as well. Now we'll keep working our way down the side of down the passenger side, I should say. Again, another unmarked alloy wheel, no excuses on that wheel as well. Your fuel door is on the passenger side of the vehicle, so if you do have to fill up, it is on the safe side of the vehicle. Then we'll keep working our way down. You'll notice no major marks on any of the doors or the exterior whatsoever. Fantastic condition all the way around, even to that final wheel, but that's another unmarked alloy wheel as well. So as you can see guys, with the consistency of the paintwork and the condition, previous owner's done a great job of maintaining the vehicle. Guys, taking a look underneath the bonnet now, so what we have here is a 2.8 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This engine produces a really good 147 kilowatts of power and also 500 newton meters of torque. You also get a 6-speed sports automatic. You get a 76 litre diesel capacity tank that gives you really good fuel economy, 8.6 litres to the 100 Ks. So out of a 76 litre tank, your fuel average distance is 884, so you're not going to be filling up every week with a car of this fuel consumption. Guys, now taking a look inside the Colorado, we'll start you off at the driver's side door, where you have all your power window controls. You also have a button here as well that also lights up to let you know when you have locked the windows, and then all your central locking just above there as well. Now, just above the central locking is where you have all your mirror controls, so obviously power mirrors for left and right. Behind the steering wheel itself is where you have all your headlight controls. Now, you can just leave it on auto and it will do all the work for you. You also have your center cluster adjuster, and then there are two little switches here, one for the lights in the bull bar, and then also for the driving lights as well. Also down here you do have your REDARC brake controller, so obviously if you do want to tow the full capacity, you will have to use the electric brakes. On your right hand stalk is where you have your indicators, your menu button, and your high beams, and then on the left hand stalk is where you have your windscreen wipers. Now on the steering wheel, as you can see, really nice leather wrap steering wheel, which is in really good condition. On the right hand side of the steering wheel is where you have all your cruise control settings, and the left hand side is all your media controls, and then you pick up and hang up and the mute button for your Bluetooth as well. Now moving into the main entertainment system, now as you can see, you do have a nice touchscreen display. You do have AM FM radio, USB, Bluetooth and AUX, and as you can see you do have the projection as well, which I believe that is to mirror your phone onto the actual screen itself. There are a couple hard buttons just down below as well, so little shortcuts, and then this is where you have all your climate control. So as you can see, where you want the air to come out on the left hand side, what the speed is in the middle, and then the actual temperature on the right hand side as well. Now down below you do have a couple little switches, your traction control button, also your hazard button, and then your hill descent control as well. Now one thing I didn't mention with the main screen is there is a nice functioning reverse camera. You do have the two options to have the lines off and on, and you also do get in the center cluster itself is the reverse parking sensors too, so really good feature to have. You do also get two 12-volt sockets down here and a little bit of storage. You get your 6-speed automatic gearbox. Now you can drive it as a normal automatic, or you can put it across to what they call the sport shift, and then you can actually shift through the gears manually, which is really good. Your 4-wheel drive selector, so 2 high, 4 high and 4 low. You get 2 cup holders and a manual handbrake, and inside the nice leather wrapped armrest, as you can see, you also get USB and AUX as well, which as I mentioned before is really good. Now I'm just going to get the camera person to pan around the interior, show you the condition of the vehicle. I mean, this car sitting with 40,281 kilometers, the inside of the car still presents really good, and there are actually no complaints in the inside or the exterior on the vehicle. So what we'll do now, guys, is we'll jump back outside the car and we'll wrap up the video. Guys, hopefully that's given you a really good representation of not only some of the features but also the condition as well. Now one thing I didn't mention while I was going around the vehicle itself is the headlights themselves do have the daytime running lights in them. I think that's something obviously really good to point out, because they are really handy and obviously do a great job as well. Now just before I go, a couple of things I would like to talk to you about is our premium mechanical protection plan. So this car does qualify for it. It's going to give you an additional 5 years up to 200,000 kilometers of mechanical and electrical protection, 10 years of premium roadside assist, and also unlimited claims up to $3,600 per claim. Now of course it is an additional cost, but if you do use that in-house finance, Julie or Mario will show you, once you package it together with the actual vehicle itself, how minimal it actually affects the payment. Last thing before I go, with 990 reviews at 4.8 stars out of 5, as you can see if you check on Google, for what people actually say about us, how good the reputation this business does have, and the quality of people you will be dealing as well, and actually the quality of vehicle you're buying as well. Again, number to call 9907055. My name is Jamie, and thank you so much for watching.